Botanicue. Hello everyone, welcome to Botanicue. So today's topic is theory of imagination. So what the imagination means? So imagination is the process in which the surface unfolds inside. If you suppose a cell, if there is a cell, then the plasma membrane folds towards the inside, and this is known as an imagination. Okay? The folding of something towards the inside, forming a cavity or something like pouch or a tube, is called as an imagination. Imagination was widely explained towards the origin of the eukaryotic organelles. When we are talking about the how the new organelles formed in the eukaryotic cell, then we talked about the theory of the imagination. So there are two theories by which we discussed how the various organelles that was present in eukaryotic cell is found. So there is one is the theory of imagination, and another is the theory of endosymbiosis. So today we will talk about the theory of imagination. Okay, so this theory is an autogenic theory where the organelles originated from the material which is already present within the cell, and the resultant from an infolding of the membrane. It means that the organelles that was formed inside the cell is due to the infolding of the plasma membrane towards the inner side, and these plasma membrane infold inside to form a various organelles. So this is the picture which shows that earlier this is an ancient prokaryotic cell in which the DNA that was attached to the plasma membrane or the boundary of the cell, and ribosome as well attached to the boundary. What happens later, that the plasma membrane that invaginates inside, right, it protrude inside, and in the form of infoldings, and after that this infolding breaks from the plasma membrane, and in the eukaryotic cell, as a resultant of an invagination, there was a formation of the nuclear membrane. So when we study the nature of the nuclear membrane, then we got to know that the nature of the nuclear membrane is somewhat like the plasma membrane. So from there we can conclude that by evolutionary purpose, the plasma membrane invaginates inside to form a nuclear membrane, and and various other organelles were also formed due to these imaginations, like nuclear membrane, endoplasmic reticulum as well formed in continuity with the nuclear membrane. Okay, so this is an imagination which led to the formation of the various organelles. Okay, the imagination led to the formation of number of double membranes bound entities in a single cell. Okay, and these entities might then have actually evolved into the eukaryotic mitochondrion, nucleus, chloroplast, and so on. Okay, so the theory of imaginations responsible for the compartmentalization. What compartmentalization? Okay, compartmentalization means the various organelles that was divided, that was membranes, that membrane bound organelle that was formed inside the cell. This is called compartmentalization because the compartments are formed inside the cell. So now the question arises, what is the benefit of this compartmentalization? So eukaryotic cell, as you all know, is an advanced form of the prokaryotic cell. Okay, so compartmentalization provides a different environment. For example, like a different organelles works on a different pH. Different organelles have a different fluid inside, and their different organelles have different nature of the fluids. So these compartmentalization provides a separation between the different organelles. Okay, different organelle different organelle working on a different pH. If there is a no compartment, then all the fluids mixed up, and it is not possible to maintain the different pH in the different organelle. But it is compartmentalization which led to maintain the variation in the nature of the different organelles, and this probably very helpful in various metabolic processes. So this is all about the theory of imagination. It is simply which led to the compartmentalization in the eukaryotic cell, and it is the process by which the prokaryotic cell uh, advanced to the eukaryotic cell. So that's all today. Um, Thank you, and if you like the video, then like, share and subscribe it.